In today's video, I'm going to teach you free AI PDF Summarizer. Generate summaries in seconds. We'll use ChatGPT to turn any PDF into a clear, structured summary with just a few prompts, whether you're on the free plan or plus. First, open your browser and head to chat.openai.com. Sign in, and once you're in, start a fresh conversation so the model focuses only on your new request. It helps to have your PDF saved and ready on your device before you begin. Next, upload your PDF. In the new chat, click the paperclip icon labeled Upload File near the message box. Then choose your PDF from your computer. You'll see the file appear in the chat once it's attached. Give it a moment to finish uploading. Large documents may take a few extra seconds, which is normal. Using a clear file name makes it easier to keep track of what you've shared, especially if you plan to summarize more than one document later. Now ask for a summary. In the message box, you can keep it simple and type, "Summarize this PDF." If you want more structure, be specific. For example, summarize into key points, a 5-bullet summary, and actionable insights. You can tailor the output by adding context like "for beginners," "executive brief," "focus on methodology," or "under 200 words." If the PDF has particular sections or headings you care about, mention them so the model emphasizes those areas. As a best practice, avoid including private or sensitive information in your request. Then get your summary. ChatGPT will analyze the file and return a concise overview, highlight the main takeaways, and provide a deeper breakdown where useful. If you ask for it, you may also see quick Q&A style highlights that pull out essential facts. Read through the result and refine it with follow-ups such as expand the limitation section, simplify the jargon, add examples, or compare sections 1 and 3. You can also request page or heading references when available or reshape the output into different formats, like an email-ready paragraph, a slide outline, or study notes. If something seems off, quote or reference the relevant line from the PDF so the model can correct or clarify. That's all you need. Open ChatGPT, upload your PDF, ask for the summary you want, and receive a polished overview in seconds. This workflow saves time on reports, research articles, manuals, and more, while keeping you in control of the level of detail and tone. Try it with a document you're working on right now, refine with a couple of targeted follow-ups, and you'll have a clean, accurate summary ready to use.